This is a perfect way to reverse your age, get rid of those signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and many others. To reverse your age, to look younger all the time, to slow down the aging process, here is the seed you have to use. You have to add it into your facial mask, and you will see how you will be looking younger all the time. Here we have shea seed. It helps to fight free radical damage, thanks to the antioxidant it needs, helping to soothe inflammation, strengthens and build the skin elastin. Shea seed will help to hydrate and make the skin glowing beautifully. So it helps also in building collagen in your skin, which keeps you looking younger all the time. I'm going to add it with other ingredients and you will see the full benefits. So the first thing I'm going to do is to transfer the quantity I want to use into a bowl. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of my shea seed. You can get shea seed from the local market. You can get it online. You can also get it from organic shops. Okay, look at it. Very potent and full of antioxidants that will help you a lot. Transfer it into the bowl, add some water and soak it to get softer. You will have to allow it to soak for 15-20 minutes. After that, it will get soft. It will look more easy to blend. I'm going to keep it aside as it's still soaking. The next ingredient I'm going to add is flour. So here is baking flour. Baking flour is so very important. Like, it helps to tighten the skin. You can make use of gram flour, you can make use of rice powder, you can make use of oats powder. These powders are so important because it exfoliates the skin to remove dead skin cells. Also contains important minerals and vitamins that will nourish your skin, protecting your skin from free radical damage, tightening a saggy skin, and you look younger and very fresh. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my flour. Next ingredient to add is aloe vera gel. You can make use of the fresh aloe vera. Here is 99% aloe vera, a cosmetic type. I've been using it for a long time and it's awesome. However, you can make use of any products. Aloe vera will protect your skin, moisturize, hydrate your skin, getting rid of dryness. This will help to get rid of skin imperfections like acne and the rest. It tightens the skin as well. Combining with other ingredients will do a good job. So just add about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon will do. I will go ahead and mix it thoroughly. The aloe vera gel and the flour. The next ingredient I'm going to add is sunflower oil. So sunflower oil is so nourishing for the skin, and this is perfect for all skin types. It will not clog your pores. It will not cause your skin to produce so much oil, especially for those that have so much oil on their skin. This is just perfect for you. It will also moisturize, protect your skin against dryness. It contains vitamin E, which will help to protect your skin against free radical damage. This is so important in this treatment. I'll be adding half tablespoon. If you do not have sunflower oil, you can make use of almond oil, or you can make use of argan oil. These are the oils that are very sweet, like wonderful for the skin. You can decide to blend it or not. Right now it's very soft. As you can see, it's very thick right now and very soft. So no need of blending, but you can go ahead and blend it if you want. I'll be transferring just 1 tablespoon of it. Look at how it is looking somehow, but it works amazingly. This is something that when you apply it, you won't get those wrinkles. If you don't have wrinkles, this will help to prevent wrinkles from appearing on your skin. If you have wrinkles already, with consistent use, you won't have wrinkles anymore. So go ahead and mix it until everything is properly mixed. So after mixing it, I'll show you how to apply it right away to work effectively. So look at this, see how it's looking. So you just have to wash your face, get rid of all makeups and dirt. Then I'll be using my hands to apply it, just like this. You have to apply it under your eyes, you know, because of eye wrinkles. So you don't really need too much of this. Just a little goes a long way. You can store this in the refrigerator to be using it every day or 3 times weekly. If you have those wrinkles already, just make a large amount, store it in the fridge, be using it every night, and you have to leave it for 30 minutes. Okay? After 30 minutes, you wash it off. This is very good to take care of those wrinkles, reversing your age and making sure you are looking younger all the time. So I will leave it on for 20-30 minutes, wash it off. I'll be right back. So you just have to wash it off, apply a light moisturizer, and you are all good. This treatment will keep your skin very moist, like very supple. When moisturized, it will tighten your skin to remove those wrinkles and fine lines. If you do not have wrinkles already, this will help to prevent wrinkles from appearing on your skin, and the results will be amazing, reversing your age and looking younger all the time. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.